गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑन प्रीतम शॉर्टहैंड लर्निंग चैनल। मैं प्रीतम कुमार कोर्ट रीडर अपने चैनल प्रीतम शॉर्टहैंड लर्निंग में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, शॉर्टहैंड डिक्टेशन का एक नया वीडियो आपके लिए लाया हूं, कृपया इसको नोट डाउन करके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो कृपया मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि आपको शॉर्टहैंड डिक्टेशन का दूसरा वीडियो जल्द ही मिल सके। बी रेडी फॉर डिक्टेशन, स्टार्ट। However, the only grievance expressed in these petitions relates to deduction of income tax by the Accountant General of Sindh, that is respondent number 4, from the salary of petitioners and other members of the establishment of Sindh High Court as well as the members of subordinate judiciary in province of Sindh on the amounts paid towards judicial allowances and special judicial allowance, by treating the same as part of their taxable salary income, hence, chargeable to tax. Stop. It is settled legal position that while imposing any tax or levy upon its subject, the legislature has to impose the same through clear and unambiguous language as per constitutional mandate and legislative competence. Stop. The Federation has the authority to impose federal taxes under Article 73 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, as per various entries of the federal legislative list, provided under 4th schedule to the Constitution, however, by ensuring that such imposition of tax does not violate the fundamental rights of citizens, and does not create any discrimination amongst the same class of person, upon whom such charge of tax has been created. Stop. It is also settled legal position that unless the charge of tax is created through clear and unambiguous language, there is no scope of any intendment or presumption about a tax, whereas, charging provisions are required to be strictly interpreted. Stop. Para change. Suffice to state that any income, person or class of persons, cannot be brought within the tax net by mere intendment, presumption or fiction of law, unless charge has been created through clear and unambiguous language reflecting intention of legislature. Stop. A divisional bench of this court in the case of collector of sale tax and federal excise versus Messrs. Abbott Laboratory Pakistan Limited, reported as 2010 PTD 592, while interpreting the charging and exemption provisions in a taxing statute has been placed to hold as under. It is tried principle of interpretation of a taxing statute that charging provisions are required to be construed strictly. Stop. It is also a tried principle that in taxing statute, a tax on any person is to be levied by clear and unambiguous words, and the expression used in charging sections are not to be stressed by any process of interpretation, so as to bring a person within the tax net not falling under the clear and plain language of the statute. Stop. Similarly, it is also a tried principle of interpretation of taxing statute that if there is any ambiguity, the same has to be resolved in favor of सब्जेक्ट. स्टॉप. फ्रेंड्स, अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करेंगे ताकि मैं फिर से आपके लिए एक दूसरा वीडियो शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन का दे सकूं. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.